morning, children. How are you? Very fine? Very good. How to open your fourth class course book? Open your fourth class EVS course book, page number 52. All of you open your fourth class EVS course book, page number 52. Everyone open. Here, in the yesterday class, we learned about the banking, about the banks. What is the use of banks? In the bank, we may deposit, we may save our money. We may save our money in the bank for our future plans. Your parents may save the money for your future plans in the bank. For that, the bank may give the interest also. What we are saving and what we are depositing in the bank, for that the banks may give interest also. Okay, that favor is there with the banks. And also, not only that, but also they will give loans. By seeing our transaction, by seeing our money transaction, they will give the loans also. Banks will give loans to us, and also they will provide debit cards and credit cards for us. Okay? For the loans, they will give the loans, no? They will tell loans. Later we have to give back. Okay, by net banking. Here net banking is available. Net banking is available. ATM is also available by the banks. Anytime we can get the money by the ATM. Lot of advantages are there with the bank. Understand me? A lot of advantages are there with the banks. Lot of benefits are there. A lot of benefits are there with the banks. So, everybody must and should have to take the account in the bank. Okay? Now, next, what happened you will see. It is desirable to make a habit of saving money right from the childhood. Try to save money out of your pocket money to make your money grow for your future plans. Amma, what saving money? From your childhood onwards, you may get the pocket money. You may get the pocket money. Don't spare that pocket money with unnecessary things. You should not spare your pocket money for unnecessary things. You must save it in a kitty bank. Here is a kitty bank. You must save your money. Saving is a good habit. Saving money is a good habit. You must do it from your childhood. Understand me? Saving money is a good habit. You must save the money from your childhood. Right now, you must start saving money. You often get the money. Your grandparents, if any times your grandparents visit you, they will give the money to you. Or any neighbor, or your cousins, or uncles, aunts, they will give money to you. And your parents also will give you pocket money for every week to you. Okay? But for that money, you should not spare. అంటే దేనికి ఖర్చు పెట్టదు మీరు. For buying of chocolates, for buying of biscuits, for buying of ice creams, you should not spare that money for that needs. should not spare your money for those needs. వాటి కోసం నీ డబ్బు ఖర్చు పెట్టద్దు. You must save that. Buy a kitty bank. Buy a kitty bank and daily what you are getting for weekly what you are getting the money from your parents, keep that money in that bank. After 1 year you must check that you may have the large amount of money. Understand me? After the 1 year you may have a large amount of money. Then you must open a bank account and yearly you must deposit that money in the bank. Understand me? Weekly what you are getting from your parents, మమ్మీ మీ డాడీ ఎప్పుడు డబ్బులు అడుక్కుంటావు కదా నువ్వు, మమ్మీ చాక్లెట్ కొనుక్కుంటాను, బిస్కెట్ కొనుక్కుంటాను, ఐస్ క్రీమ్ కొనుక్కుంటాను అని. దట్ మనీ యూ మస్ట్ కీప్ ఇన్ ద కిడ్డీ బ్యాంక్. ఆఫ్టర్ 1 year you must open that. Then you may have the large amount of money. Collect that money and deposit that money in the bank. Like that, yearly you must deposit that money in the bank. After 10 or 15 years, when you grow up, when you are going for the higher education, when you grow up, it become a large amount. The deposited money became a large amount of money that may useful for your future education. Understand me? That may useful for your future education. So must and should try to save your money. Okay? Understand me? Very good. Next. Open a kiddie bank account and deposit some amount as saving regularly. Okay? Will you do that? Do right now. Let us know about a great person who is known as the second richest man in the world. Now, Warren Buffett made his first investment at the age of 11 with saving from delivering newspapers. Still, he regrets that he started investing late. He donated 2 lakh crores to society, but leads a simple life. He lives with his family for the last 15 years in the same old house, which does not have a wall or fence. He drives his own car everywhere and doesn't have a driver or security people around him. He never travels by private jet, although he owns the world's largest private jet company. His advice to young people is don't waste your money on unnecessary things. Spend it on people who are really in need. Lead as simple a life as you can. Here is one of the greatest man. Is the richest man. Here is the richest man in the world. He is the world's second richest man now. This man is the world's second richest man. World, not only India, but also through the world level. World richest man, world second richest man in the world. Okay, what is his name? Warren Buffett. What is his name? Warren Buffett. He is a great person. He is a greatest person. You have to know about him. You should know, because not only he is the world's second richest man, but also he is a kind-natured man and also a great socialist. A great socialist also. He donated 2 lakh crores for the poor people. He donated 2 lakh crores. Not only 2 lakhs, 2 lakh crores of money for the development of poor. For the development of poor people. Understand me? So he is the greatest person. Amma, everybody having the money, but they don't want to donate. They don't want to leave their money. But he is a great man. 2 lakh crores donated for the poor people. Okay? And also, how he became as the richest man, do you know? How he became as the richest man? At the age of 11. When he was 11 years old, he started Kidney Bank. When he was 11 years old, he started saving the money. Understand? At the age of 11, he sold the newspapers. He did the job. He did the work. Understand? At the age of 11. At the age of 11 years onwards, he started doing work. He was selling the newspapers. He was selling the newspapers. Okay? At the age of 11, he started selling the newspapers. He is a newspaper boy. Okay? He sold the newspaper. By selling the newspaper, he got the money, no? He got the money by selling the newspaper. Like that, he get the money. Like that, he got the money. That money he saved in the bank. Okay? He saved in the bank. Like that. That is the first step. That is the first step to deposit. Like that. Slowly. Now he become as the second world richest man. He was a great or not? Will you agree? Yes, he is a great man. Okay, he is the world's second richest man, but living in a simple life. He is living in a simple way. Now also, he is living in the old house for since 50 years onwards. Since 50 years onwards, they are living in he and also his family. He and his family are living in the same old house only. Understand? 50 years onwards, he is living, not only he, but also his family are living in the same house. They won't change the house also. Even though their house don't have the fence or wall. Their house means his house. He is the richest man now. World's second richest man. అంటే ఎంత దగ్గర ఎంత డబ్బు ఉండాలి చెప్పండి. మన ఇండియాలో సెకండ్ రిచెస్ట్ మ్యాన్ కాదు, వరల్డ్ లెవెల్లోనే సెకండ్ రిచెస్ట్ మ్యాన్. ఓకే, హీ హ్యాడ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ మనీ, బట్ హీ ఈస్ నాట్ వేస్టింగ్ ద మనీ ఫర్ unnecessary things. He is living for 50 years onwards in the same house, even though the house is not having the fences. The house is not having the fences. Fence like that. The house is not having the fence also. He is living in the same house. And also, he don't have the driver. He drive his own car. He is only the driver. He don't keep another driver. Understand me? He is not having another driver. If anywhere he wants to go, he can drive himself. He would drive himself, not having the driver also. Not only driver, but also bodyguards. He won't maintain the bodyguards. He won't have, because he is the richest man now. Anybody may attack. Anybody may kidnap him. Then also, he won't use any bodyguards around him. ఏ బాడీగార్డ్స్ని కూడా తను పెట్టుకోడంట. And also, he won't use any private jet. He won't use any private jet to go to another places, to go to another countries. Even though he has the private jet company. He is having the private jet company. He was the owner. He was the owner of the private jet company. Then also, he won't use the private jet to go to another countries. He won't use. He will go in the public jet only. It's public. Okay? He is a greatest person. He used a simple life. Why he is using simple life? Do you know? What is this word? Don't you waste your money for unnecessary things. What is the need? What is the need to waste the money? That money you must donate for the poor people. He can say that word. ఎందుకు రిచ్ మెయింటెనెన్స్ కోసం డబ్బు ఎందుకు వేస్ట్ చేస్తారు? ఆ వేస్ట్ చేసే డబ్బుని ఎవరికి ఇవ్వమంటున్నాడు? డొనేట్ ద పూర్ పీపుల్ అంటాడు. దట్ లైక్ దట్ ఓన్లీ హీ డొనేటెడ్ 2 lakh crores of money for the maintenance, for the development of poor. So he lead a simple life. He lead a simple life. So he is the greatest man. Okay, will you agree? Food, shelter and clothes are our basic needs. Does this statement still hold good? Amma, what are the basic needs? Food, shelter and clothes. These are the basic needs of our. Okay? Must this proverb is true. Let us try to understand this poem. I asked for strength. God gave me difficulties to make me strong. I asked for wisdom. God gave me problems to solve. I asked for prosperity. God gave me brawn and bronze to work. I asked for courage. God gave me dangers to overcome. I asked love. God gave me troubled people to help. I asked for favors. God gave me opportunities. I asked everything so I could enjoy life. God gave me life so I could enjoy everything. I received nothing I wanted. I received everything I needed. I asked for strength. Why I asked? I prayed God for the strength. How we can prove our strength? If there are any difficult situations, then only we know our strength. Okay? When we know our strength, if we have any difficulties, I asked for the strength, so God gave me difficulties to make me strong. I asked for wisdom. So God gave me problems to solve. I asked for the wisdom. When do you use your wisdom? To solve the problems. If problems ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడ నీకు ఎంత తిరుగుతుందో తెలిసేది. అవునా? In solving problems only you can use your wiseness. So I asked for the wisdom. God gave me solving of problems. By solving of problem, I increase my wisdom. By solving అంటే మన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ సాల్వ్ చేస్తున్న కొద్దీ మనకి ఇంకా తెలివి పెరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, I asked for courage. Courage means braveness. I asked for the braveness. God gave me dangers to overcome. God gave me dangers. When we can face the dangers, we may become as brave and courage. I asked for the courage. Courage man భగవంతుని అడిగితే ఏమన్నాడు భగవంతుడు? He has given dangerous situations. చాలా డేంజరస్ సిచ్యువేషన్ని క్రియేట్ చేశాడు. ఆ డేంజరస్ సిచ్యువేషన్ చూసి నేనేమయ్యాను? I have taken my courage. Like that, I improve my courage. I asked for love. God gave me troubled people to help. I asked for love. I asked for the love. God has given troubled people. అంతమంది ట్రబుల్ పీపుల్ని చూస్తే వాళ్ళందరూ మనం ఎలా కూల్ చేయాలి? ఓకే, డిఫికల్ట్ పీపుల్ని చూసి మనం ఏమనుకుంటాం? We want to change them. We want to change the difficult people. Like that, we show our affection on them. We show our affection and love for them. Then we can change all of them. I asked for favors. God gave me opportunities. I asked for the favor things. God gave me lot of opportunities. I asked for everything so I could enjoy life. God gave me life so I could enjoy everything. I asked God everything. So God gave me life to me as a human. Amma, everything can be possible by only the human. Human life is a great life. We are able to talk, we are able to think, we are able to write, we are able to do anything. We can do everything. I wish for everything. So that's what God has given me, human life. Is it possible to the animals? Is it possible to the birds? We can do anything, ra. మనం ఏదంటే అది చేయగలం. We can do anything. The animals birds can do like us. They can think like us. No, they don't know affection also. They don't know hard work. They don't know affection. They don't know how to do the work. They don't know thinking power. They don't know anything. But everything know only by the humans. Humans know everything. So God gave me this life. So I am so happy for this. Okay? I received nothing I wanted. I received everything I need. I received nothing I wanted. What we want? Wants are unlimited. If you ask to the God, God will give you what you need, but not what you want. నీకు ఏది ఖచ్చితంగా అవసరమో అది ఇస్తాడు భగవంతుడు. ఎక్స్ట్రా కరిక్యులమ్స్ నో నీడ్. God gave me what I need, but not what I want. నీకు కోరుకున్నది ఇవ్వడం కాదు, నీకు ఏది కావాలో అది ఇస్తాడు. Which you need. Which need is different, want is different. Okay, needs are needed. We can't live without need. Needs lekunda manam bratakaleem. But wants are unlimited. We won't satisfy with our wants. Our wants are always changing. So what God will give? God will give what we need, but not we want. మనకి ఏది అవసరమో అది ఇస్తాడు. ఓకే, అండర్స్టాండ్ మీ?
కంప్లీట్ కాలే.
Today's class is completed. Bye.